Okay, we've gone over simple holes. We've gone over counterboard holes, tapped holes. One thing left I want to go over is countersink holes. So as before, what we're going to do is we have our sketch ready to go. Click on the hole tool and pick the two locations. All right. It doesn't look right because these aren't countersinks, but it's not a big deal because we're just going to go over to our menu here for the whole menu and make some changes. So again, extents, we want this to go all the way through. So click on all. So the drilled hole goes all the way through the part. The hole type we're going to change from counterbore to countersink. We're going to leave the hole tap type as simple. As you can see, it's already changed the shape over here. It's got that cone shape of a countersink. What we need to define now are three things. Number one, the outside diameter of the counterbore, the large diameter. It's looking for that information. The degree, the angle of degree, the included angle of that counterbore. A lot of times it's 82, but sometimes it's 90. It could be 100, 110, 120. There are all different kinds of these. There's 60-degree countersinks. So let's say we change this to 90 degrees. And then down the bottom, we want the hole diameter to be 0.375. And the diameter of the countersink itself only needs to be 0.625. And that's all there is to it. All right. So this is all information from the drawing. So we're recreating the everything from the drawing, putting it in here exactly. Once we got what we want, we click on OK. Shut off that sketch by clicking on the eyeball, and we're done. It's time to hit save. And that's it. Always save your projects after you've done a new feature. Okay. You don't want to lose any information. Hope this helps.